Hi there, welcome to Ready Recipes. I'm Ray, the nutritionist at Education Futures Trust, and today we are cooking up a lovely frittata. Frittatas are great. You can use up the eggs that you've got left if they're near the end of the day. It's lovely and quick, works for breakfast, lunch, dinner, brunch, brunner, anything. Yeah, you can put all your leftover vegetables in there. If you've got any veggies left over from a roast, you won't need to cook them first or anything, and you pop anything in, make it nice and colourful and full of health and lovely for all that gut health. Right, I happen to have loads of vegetables in, so I am putting lots in my frittata today. I've got a nice selection of different coloured peppers there. I've got sweet corn, I've got some red onion, I've got half a head of broccoli. I've also got some baby leaf spinach, great if you're low in iron like me. And I've got 9 eggs, 150 millilitres of milk, and 60 grams of a nice cheddar cheese. You can use any strong cheese you like. If you like a bit of Stilton, that's lovely in there, Manchego, anything. It's all lovely. Right, so get your pan on a medium heat and heating up, and we'll get cooking with the vegetables first, and while they're cooking we can whisk the eggs. Once your pan's heated up, you want a couple of tablespoons of oil in there. Any oil will do, but obviously rapeseed and olive oil do have lower saturated fats. And rapeseed's British, so lower carbon footprint as well if you want extra brownie points. So I'm going to put the broccoli in first. That takes quite a while to cook. And pop the onion in as well. I'll just give that a few minutes to cook through. Right, while that's cooking away, I've just put all my eggs in one bowl, which if you're a mum, you know you're doing, putting all the vegetables in one dish. I'm going to add my 150 mils of milk in there. Just give that a little whisk with a fork and mix that up. Now season this with salt and pepper. Sorry, suddenly realised I didn't have any ground pepper there. So pop that in and a bit of salt. And I'm going to put my peppers into the pan and then grate my cheese. Right, once that veg is about al dente, you can take some out to decorate the top, which I'm going to do. And then you can put your veg in that doesn't take quite so long to cook. Right, so I'll put my spinach in, let that wilt down, stir it round. Right, so once that's heated through and wilted down, we'll put the sweet corn in to heat through. I'm going to turn the temperature up a little bit. There we go, looking lovely and full of colour there. Right, so I'm going to pour that egg in. Just want to mix that round, an even spread of your veg. I'm going to draw it in from the sides as it cooks to make sure all the egg's being cooked. Right, once your egg is just about set, I'm going to put the cheese on the top there. Might be able to sell this as a bit of an omelette pizza. And then decorate that with my reserved vegetables. Right, I'm just going to pop that under the grill, medium hot, just to finish that off. So after about 5-10 minutes under the grill, remember to use a tea towel for the handle because it will have got quite hot. When that's all puffed up and golden brown, that's ready. There's your frittata. Leave it in the pan for 5 minutes, let the egg set a little bit more and cool down before you cut it. You can serve your frittata with beans for breakfast, salad for lunch. You can have some sweet potato wedges with your dinner. You can oven cook those with some oil. I think I've put those in another recipe, so you can have a little look through our recipes. They are available on the Education Futures Trust website and YouTube. Yeah, if you've got any feedback for the recipe, you want to let me know what you did you put in some Stilton, mushrooms, peas? I'd love to know. Just let me know at Ray E at Education Futures Trust. That's Ray E, R-A-E-E, at educationfuturestrust.org. So let me know. Happy frittataing.